Hi there, my name is MarieAntoinette, and in this tutorial you're going to learn all about taking your lashes to the next level and making them close to looking like falsies. The very first thing that you want to do is curl your eyelashes with the Film Star eyelash curlers. Just a couple of pumps will do it. Once your eyelashes are curled, then you want to go ahead and twist and take out your wand out of your mascara applicator. Put your mascara close to the root of your eyelashes and blink down. And as you can see, this is one coat, this is 3 coats. This one's a lot fuller. This one has length, but it's not as full, but still you can see the eyelashes. So let's go ahead and do 2 coats. Repeat. And this time we're going to go ahead and take our wand and start combing them down through the backside. And then back up. Now you see 2 coats, 3 coats. One of the most common questions that I get about Above and Beyond Mascara is if it clumps and if it applies wet. The nice thing about Above and Beyond Mascara is that it dries fairly quickly. Above and Beyond Mascara also doesn't transfer. Let's go for that 3rd coat. Again, we're going to apply to the root and work up and try to extend it out even more. And zigzag back and forth. And now we have eyelashes that could pass off as falsies. When I put on my mascara early in the morning, it stays like this all day long and it doesn't flake all over my skin. Nothing. Isn't that so cool? To learn more about Maëlle beauty products or to get 20% off for life, contact me